Good morning, Corey Frazier here, Castle Auto Sales, hashtag Frazier's Friends. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie. Just like in all my videos, we're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll turn it over, let you see the dash, all the lights, let you hear it run. But first we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. As you're seeing, I'm getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition. You'll be able to see if there's any dents, dings, dimples, those kind of things. Reason why we do these video walkarounds, we do deliver nationwide, including Hawaii and Alaska. Just reach out and give us a call or a text for an instant quote. But this is an absolutely super nice 08 1500 Laramie. Has power running boards, brand new wheels and tires, affordable, under 15 grand, which you really don't see too many of these for under 15 grand. Flip up tow mirrors, rain guards, tow pack, bed liner, spray and bed liner. Little scuff there on the bumper, nothing horrible by any stretch. And the wheels has airbags. Wow, that's an ad in itself right there. Airbags. Let me open up these doors here. But as you can see, the power running boards. Get the condition of the leather back here. Well, there's in pretty good condition. Driver's door, so premium sound. You got media center. Looks like navigation. Heated seats. Rear slider, 4-wheel drive, center console, sunroof. You know, a trip computer up there, destination to empty, compass, temperature, those kind of things. Wow, it's a whole lot of truck for $15K, especially the wheels and tires. Wow, brand new wheels and tires. Fog lights. Mileage there. Let me go ahead and turn it over real quick.
Here are stories from Keyway Ion for you with Taylor Van Sykes and Bill O'Neill.
But as you can see, maybe one of the tires are low. Tire pressure monitoring system on these are, when they have these aftermarket wheels and tires, a lot of times, unfortunately, that comes along with it. But it could just be a low tire as well. Auto dim rearview mirror. Pedal adjusters, aftermarket tow assist. Well guys, hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything that I may have missed and you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, frankly, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. If you have questions about instant quote, either to the islands in Hawaii or up in Alaska or nationwide, again, just reach out and give us a call or a text for that. I do want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys.